So hello my dear class 12th. Today I am discussing meaning and feature of marketing. Traditionally, marketing means that all the activities which direct the flow of goods and services from the producer to the consumer is known as marketing. In marketing means to say, from the place of production to the place of consumption, all the activities comes in marketing. So, in its main features, marketing is consumer focused, means to satisfy our customers, to customer wants, customer needs. Integrated process, as I told you, from the place of consumption to the place, from the place of production to the place of consumption. All the activities comes in marketing. It is an integrated process. Creative. It creates utility of time, place and position. For this, various activities we have to do: storage, transportation, sale of products. Part of environment. Marketing operates within economic, social, legal, political and other forces. So it's a dynamic process in nature. Multidisciplinary. In marketing, you are having a lot of scope, my dears. You can go in so many different disciplines in which you can make your careers. Knowledge drawn from economics, sociology, psychology, anthropology, mathematics, statistics, law, etc. These all different multidisciplinary are used in marketing process. And you will be surprised to know that marketing is all pervasive. In every field, it may be in family planning, in hygiene, in communal harmony, immunization, blood donations, environmental production. In all, you will find that marketing is all pervasive. It is one of the most important questions. Please write and learn. Thank you.